Hi, my name is Ashley Salter. I'm a CPA and shareholder with the healthcare team here at Kirkring Barbario. And today I'd like to share why it's important to get your CPA and when. For me, I would really recommend that you get it as soon as possible, getting that fifth year in, so that way you've got your education done, you're working and getting your CPA, and you can do that concurrently, working an internship. That helps, getting real life experience for the information you're learning to pass the exam. And then why it's important when you think of a CPA, that is one of the highest regards in the accounting world that clients look to, employers look to when they want to look for professional guidance. They like to see that credential with the name. They know that you've taken the time to learn the material and that you're having to keep up with current regulations.
Hello, my name is Brian Leidel. I'm a shareholder with Kirkring Barbario. I've been with the firm for over 10 years now. I've done 25 years in public accounting at this point. I've been asked the question if the CPA designation certification is an important part of my career and what I would believe to be your career goals as well. I believe the CPA certification is extremely important. Similar to obtaining a college degree, it provides a level of credibility to your past experience, your past education that is invaluable in letting employers know, letting coworkers know, letting other folks in the community know that you have reached a certain competency in all the topics covered by the CPA exam and your degree in accounting. Now, while some areas of the CPA exam may not apply to your role in a work environment in the future, those skills, though, still provide you with a background to analyze and review other areas of accounting that you may not experience. So when you're looking at a tax accountant, per se, they may not touch on financial statements very often. But having that knowledge allows them to communicate with their own internal audit and accounting teams, with controllers and CFOs out in the community, trying to look for additional employment, or when working on obtaining clients for the firm you're working with. Again, also, really it's the credibility issue when you're looking at prospects. Employers, they value the CPA designation as well. It's very important to differentiate between those who have taken the time to study, achieve that certification, as to those who have decided not to pursue that role. In tax accounting, it's very important as well. You're able to communicate directly with the IRS on many issues related to clients and their accounts, where you may not be able to without that designation. It applies to attorneys, accountants, CPAs, and enrolled agents. But having that CPA designation gives you an automatic waiver as far as communicating with IRS on client matters. I also have the designation Certified Financial Planner, the CFP designation. I look at this in the same way as the CPA designation, that it provides a level of credibility when I'm communicating with clients, their financial advisors, their referral sources in the community. They know that we speak the same language when it comes to insurance planning, investment planning, estate planning, as well as the tax planning that I do on a regular basis. So I find these to be very valuable in communicating with others in the community, others in our firm, as well as clients, prospects, and business owners we deal with on a day-to-day basis.
Hi, my name is Alex Calendo, and I'm an audit manager with Kirkring Barbario. I'm here today to emphasize the importance of obtaining your CPA and provide a little background as to what the CPA process looked like for me. So as individuals who have chosen accounting as our profession, and I believe that's all of you, it used to be that obtaining your CPA was an automatic assumption for everyone in our field. But as time has gone on, the number of professionals committing themselves to obtaining the CPA has dwindled. So what that means for all of you and what it meant for me is that we now have a significant opportunity in front of us for all of us that are entering the public accounting profession, where we can just go get that CPA and immediately differentiate ourselves in our career. So when you get your CPA, you're really setting yourself apart in our profession and setting yourself up for quicker progression, significantly more opportunities than those who are opting to not get their CPA. So really, at the end of the day, again, it's an opportunity for you all to differentiate yourself within the company or firm that you might be working for right out of college, or just to broaden your opportunities for what else might be out there. Because at the end of the day, becoming a CPA is a very difficult task, and I hope nobody sugarcoats that for you, because it is difficult and it comes with a lot of time and sacrifice that you all must make. But I will tell you that it's one of the most rewarding things that you will do. And it's really that thought process that drove me to pursue and obtain my CPA. Just knowing again that I could set myself apart professionally and accelerate my career by getting my CPA. So for me, coming out of college, my thought was that I wanted to become a partner at a public accounting firm. But I knew that even if I didn't end up wanting to become a partner at a firm down the road, and if my goals changed, I would still have opportunities in front of me in the private accounting world, whether it's a controller or potentially a CFO down the line, as long as I did make the sacrifice and get my CPA. So that is why I began studying almost right after graduating college. And studying was tough and takes a lot of time, and you're going to want to do anything but study. But I knew that it would be worth it in the long run. So after a little over a year of a lot of studying, taking exams, failing exams, I failed 2 different exams. I stuck with it, and I was able to pass all the exams and become a CPA. And I will tell you that there has never been 1 ounce of me that regrets the time that I spent studying or the sacrifices that I made in order to become a CPA, because all of those sacrifices are really temporary, just for that 1 year of studying, and it's for something that is going to benefit you greatly over your 40-year plus career, or whatever it may be. And it's something that is going to accelerate your career significantly and provide just a lot of opportunities for you all, so long as you get that CPA. So what I would really emphasize for you all today, I really hope that you all do yourself a favor of ensuring that you make a plan as to how you want to get your CPA after college, and that you really capitalize on the opportunity that's in front of you all in the public accounting profession. And that's just simply to go get that CPA and differentiate yourself in the public accounting world or the private accounting world, because it is definitely something that you will not regret.